All right, we're gonna be looking at this 1967 Cadillac Deville 429 cubic inch V8 with a Turbo-Hydramatic 400 transmission. Does have factory air, power top, power seats, power windows, power steering, power brakes, telescoping steering column. As you'll see in a second, the red leather interior, and it's complemented with a black convertible top. These are very cool cars. I think where Cadillac gets the luxury name. You have all your amenities. We're gonna do one little quick walk around, then I'll get up and close and personal and show how straight this car really is. All right, we'll start with the hood. You can see very good body lines everywhere. And we'll make our way to the driver's door. Our trunk as well. And finally making our way to the passenger door. All right, now we're gonna go take a look at the interior. Our door card, iconic dash. Very super comfortable car. Got our back seat as well. All right, now we're gonna start it up and listen to that engine purr, and then we'll take it around the parking lot. All right, now we're gonna start up this 429 beast. Very healthy. Let's get a shot from the rear. All right, we got the Cadillac on the lift. We're gonna check out the bottom. As you see, it's a very honest bottom car. And we'll do a quick pass this way, and we'll turn around and get one more angle going the other way.